I built this design in under 1 minute. Now it's your turn to do the same. Open your laptop and follow along with me, step by step. Using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, create a login page with background, full image covering the screen, navbar, top, logo on left, nav links, login button on right, login form, center, strong glass effect, blurry transparent white, close button, X, top right, email and password field, underlined input, remember me checkbox, forget password link, login button, register link. Give me the best design you have.